Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I'm gonna show you Navratri 4th day makeup look. So let's get started. So first of all, I used this Garnier Fairness Cream as a primer. I applied this on my face and neck. So next I apply this concealer. This is Maybelline concealer for hiding my dark circles and dark spots on my face and neck, like so. Blending this concealer with the help of my fingers, like so. So next I use this talcum powder. This is Gokul Synthol talcum powder. I apply this powder with the help of beauty blender. So next I apply this Coral Peach Orangish Lip Liner on my lips. So after the lip liner, I used this lipstick. This is from LA18 in the shade dark pink. Okay, after the lipstick, again I use a lip liner for getting coral and orange color pink shade. So I used these two lip liner and lipstick for getting coral pink color on my lips. Okay, now coming to eye makeup. So I used this lip liner as eyeshadow for getting coral pink color. So that's why I used this lip liner also as an eyeshadow. So next I used this Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette. I selected coral pink and baby pink color together and mix it well and apply on my crease area like so. Okay, next I apply kajal on my waterline, eyes waterline. This is from ITEX kajal. So next this is eyeliner from Maybelline. So next I apply this mascara. This is from also Maybelline Hypercurl mascara for getting thicker eyelashes. Next I fill my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. This is from Lakme. This is Duo Stick from Maybelline contour and highlighter. First I open this contourer side and apply my forehead and chin, cheekbones, nose areas. Okay, now I open this highlighter side and apply again forehead, nose, pubic bone and chin area like so. Now blend it thoroughly, the two contour and highlighter, for giving a nice sharpened look of and highlight look of my face. So now again I apply highlighter on my pubic bone like so, for giving shining look of my pubic bone. So that's why I again applied. So next, very important for Indian girls, that is bindi. So today is the yellow color outfit, so I would like to wear yellow bindi on this bindi collection. If you want other updates, follow me on Instagram. So this is my Insta ID. So this is my today's overall makeup look for yellow outfit in this Navratri 2020 4th day makeup look. In this video I wore this yellow maxi hairstyle dress. If you want full outfit video, I can provide link in the description bar below and check icons also. So I hope you are all enjoying this makeup look video. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you. Take care. Keep smiling.